See?
Oh. Not, come on. Dan, you knew that was gonna happen. Hey everybody, welcome back to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
So, weekend at home, back in the rubble. See all the fencing. They've got a lot done just in the amount of time. So, the garage is all torn apart too, but more on that. As long as
the magnitude is dusty again.
Yeah, it's all from all the construction, of course, and this area is actually just dusty too. Okay, other than that, well, this weekend at home, so with the construction going on, there was a week that we didn't have hot water and almost another day that we didn't have water because of a cut pipeline, but that's all situated now. So good thing we have the Super C because I had to use it for showers and whatnot, and it worked out great. But so our laundry setup was in the garage, and obviously all that's torn apart. So all this stuff is set up outside. The contractor set up these lines for the washing machine, and the gas is on this side too for the dryer. And then we have a drain out over here for the water. So this is where we actually dump the tanks for the RV too. But as you guys can see, look at the height of that. Obviously nothing's going down that because it has to go up. But if you guys have been following along since like the beginning of our YouTube filming and content creating and whatnot, we have a macerator. We made like a mobile macerating cart. That's actually been torn apart. We still use it. It's in the bay here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use it to gravity. What is it?
Oh, so it's basically it's a pump.
Yeah.
I think it's like the Macerator Sinister 600 or something like that. So what I did is, usually you're supposed to just mount it to the rig, but what I did is I did my little MacGyver modification too.
All right, well, so it's not on that cart anymore. If you guys have been following along, it's here.
Yeah, so everything's here. I did run a plug up in here, so we have that.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that pump to get that up there, since we obviously, yeah, so it's, what is it called, gravity feeding?
Yes.
Am I using the right term? Yeah, so gravity feeding it.
Well, originally it's supposed to be gravity fed, but now that this end is higher than this end, we're gonna have to basically use the pump.
Okay, alright, so Kevin's getting this pump out, so yeah, so it's not, traditionally it would be gravity fed if it wasn't so high. Now that it's high, we need to use the pump to, you know, get it up into the drain.
And this thing works pretty well because I think it's almost a horsepower. I did hook up 2 pull hoses together. It was 70 feet long. We pumped it from the back all the way to the front, and it pushed it really well.
Okay, cool.
So,
and it's a Sani-Con by Thetford. So Thetford makes it, and I don't know if they still sell it. I can look around, but it's been a while. We got it when we first got the rig, not realizing that our toilet is a macerating toilet. But hey, it's coming in handy for situations like this. So we're gonna so what's going on? You need a break?
Yeah, so basically I gotta hook it up real quick to the generator. There's the hot plug over there, so I'm gonna just hook this up, and then, oh, you know what, I'll just use the Milwaukee battery.
You want all right, yeah, Kevin had to get some supplies. He's not totally ready, but she's getting heavy because she's getting pretty big now. I'm gonna go set her down, let her play in her little jumper for a little bit while Kevin gets the rest of his stuff all situated, and he will be back in with you guys.
All right. So let's just run this through here real quick. I believe this is the hot plug that comes directly from the battery. Stick this in here. I hear Casey over there just talking. She's been talking so much lately. All right, so I got that there. Alright, maybe I should hook this ground to here. Let's see. There it is. $35 amp fuse. Gotta grab my. Alright, I think that should be good. Let's see. Ooh, that's a little dirty. So basically, I have this new valve right here that I need to replace. We just bought the secondary one just for precaution, because we were camping in front of our buddy's house, and Katie's like, "Oh, better not be leaking anything." So this is just the grease that I greased, or maybe it's the toilet. I don't know. All right, so let's hook this up to here. It's just like that. Then these are basically just RC plugs that I got. They're rated for 80 amps, I believe. Let's see. Oh no. So I think I ran the wrong power. So I think it has to go on this side. Okay. Hopefully that works now. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We have a winner.
Are you having fun? Yes. Mommy, be right back. You turning it on?
Yeah. So I hooked up the wrong power wire, and then I had to redo it. And then I opened up the cap, and there's some leakage. Good thing I have gloves on.
Are you... So is it running now?
Yeah. So, all right. I think I'm gonna just mount this up here. Put some screws through it. Hopefully it doesn't hit the black tank. All right, I'm gonna turn on the water so that way we can flush it.
Yeah, so when we do laundry, we gotta turn on and off our water. We're gonna be living like this for months.
Till October, hopefully. All right. So we got the water running in. Let's go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna open up this lever. Oh, you see it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so with this, it's pretty awesome because I can hold it up here.
And it's just, the machine's just pushing it, right?
Yeah, it's just pumping it in. That's a really solid unit, by the way. That's it. Dude, we pumped almost 40 gallons in about 30 seconds. That was awesome, huh?
Fill it up again or what? Oh, now you gotta get the gray out?
Yeah, I'm gonna just get a little bit of the gray just to clean the hose out. Then I'm gonna close it, but then I'm gonna fill up the black.
The water's filling up again.
So when it's running dry, I gotta turn it off.
Yeah, so you don't burn the motor.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So
I'm so happy how I redesigned this area right here, so to make it reattachable. Cause I could take this off right here. See?
No,
Oh.
not. Come on. Dan, you knew that was gonna happen. Well, Kevin's gonna run the machine a few more times to clean out the. Can you not get? I'm trying to walk away from him. He's like walking towards me. He's gonna clean the machine a few more times while I, watch the baby. And I mean, that's it for this weekend, huh? It was just a quick at home, just kind of an update on our living situation and just doo-doo. Showing you guys ways around. Yeah. So speaking of doo-doo, I gotta pick up some dog poop, but yeah.
The good thing we have a pump right here, a shower head.
Yeah. So yeah, well, we will. Yeah, that's it for this weekend at home, guys. Thanks for joining as always. We will see you guys on the next one.
Bye. Hope you guys had a great weekend.
Bye, guys.
Watch out, Lexi.